Hello everyone, welcome back to my craft room. If you're new here, my name is Jen. Really glad to meet you. So today I did something that I told myself I was not going to do. Basically, my daughter is in a basketball camp about an hour south of my home. So I drove her down there this morning, decided to try and figure out something to do for 3 hours while I was waiting around, and I ended up at Hobby Lobby. So I just said, okay, I can be strong. I'm gonna walk around Hobby Lobby. And then I kind of fell into the rabbit hole of the clearance items and a couple of things that weren't necessarily on clearance, but you know, the famous 40% off. So I thought I would just go ahead, hop on here, share my little craft haul with you, especially since so many of you really like the craft hauls. So let's go ahead and check out what I brought home. Okay, so from the paper craft or the paper crafting section, I got one of these. Now I actually have like a teal blue one that I'm trying to decide what to do with, but I went ahead and picked up another one. This one is a pink one, and they're actually pretty reasonable. They're $3.99. They're really thick, nice canvas, and they have a really nice zipper. So these are always good to have on hand. I replenished my chenille ribbon because I have literally gone through all of it. So just so you know, kind of a little pricey, but it is 40% off. So that's when I usually try and stock up on them. I'm really glad to have these back in my craft room. Okay, so the next thing that I purchased was another pack of the acrylic bookmarks. Now these I love, and I went ahead and got some of the cold transfer stickers. So these are definitely for stickers and not for soft surfaces. And then I went ahead and picked up a pack of keychains. So those are pretty fun. And then I found this. I just couldn't leave that. This is great. It's a 12 by 12. It was 40% off. And so the pages are just so fun. And this kind of lodge mountain-esque scenery is definitely right up my alley. Okay, so over in the wearable art, I found one of these, and I thought this was really fun. It's just a clear bag. It's got the white here, or actually it's a cream color. Nice sturdy zipper. And this was $5.49, and I don't know if I got this on sale or not. I'd have to look at my receipt. In fact, I really don't want to look at my receipt, but I got one of these, and I thought what would be fun would be to take, and this is just a little sneak peek, but I got a bunch of these rainbow colored iron-on sticker patches, and so I'm not going to show you the rest of those, but I got a whole slew of them. And then I saw this one. I love that. I think that is so fun. That would look really good on a hat. And then I also found this one. So I thought that would look good on a hat as well. Then in the same area of the wearable art, I went ahead and got 3 t-shirts because the next thing I show you, I'm going to have something to put those on. So I just got a white t-shirt, a really pretty heather pink, and then it's like an off-white, it's like a cream color, but I'll show you what I got for those. Oh, and I did get one of these. Check that out. This is right up my alley. So all the Western cowgirl kind of stuff, that's really coming back into style. It's very trendy. I've always loved it, but now it's back in style again. And I love that it just really is fun. So I got some of these. These are these little iron-on. Okay, so how fun is that? Then I'm gonna try something that I haven't tried before, but these are Hobby Lobby's direct transfer. Well, actually this one I think is just, I don't know, some kind of iron-on type vinyl, and I love that. And I was thinking that that would look really good either on the white t-shirt or maybe the pink one, but I just love that. I can't wait to make that because you can never have enough hats or summer shirts in my opinion. Then I got a DTF transfer. Now I've never worked with DTF, so I mean I know what it is and I know how it works, but I've just never done it. So I got one of these. Look at that. And I thought this would be really, really nice on the cream shirt. So not the stark white shirt that they're showing, but like a cream colored shirt. That's for that. And then I got one of these because this is kind of the season of my life right now. And so there we go. We're gonna pray on it, pray over it, and pray through it, because I don't know about you guys, but right now there's a lot going on in the world. There's a lot going on at home, and not all of it is stressful and bad, but you know, just life is a lot right now. So just know that if you're going through a lot right now, you're not alone and you are very loved. Okay, let's move on to the next section of the store. Okay, so I like 4th of July decorations. I just don't do a lot of it, but what I did find is a really nice rustic looking towel. So you know we've got to put something on this. And it might even involve some sparkle, who knows? And then I found this. This is just little laser wood cutouts. It says Freedom, America, Fireworks, and July 4th. And there are, some of them are already painted for you. I thought that was really cool. And again, the 4th of July stuff, 40% off. So I just got a couple of things. I went ahead and picked up another pack of the Micron, the little mini pigment ink pens that are really good to have on hand. I also picked up the number 10 jelly roll pen. I have an 8, I think I have like an assortment pack, but some of them are very, very thin and I don't like the way they look when I make cards, so I went ahead and just got a pack of the 10s. I went ahead and picked up a packet of the printable iron-on for light fabrics. Okay, so I'm actually going to be doing a tutorial on this, and ironically, we can compare it to the dark fabric ones that I bought for these brands that I have no idea what they are. I've never heard of them before, but we can test them out. Always happy to test new things. So this will be upcoming tutorial. I got one of these. I actually got one. This is a new one that I got. I think these are great to have on hand, but it is a sublimation glass cutting board. And basically, yeah, it's fantastic. It's it's almost 8 by 11. Not, you know, so it's a little less than a sheet of paper, but how fun is it? These would make great gifts. So I'm thinking ahead already for the holiday season as to what kind of gifts that I can give. And some of these things that I purchased will probably turn into gifts. Okay, so the real rabbit hole that I fell down when I was in the store was the clearance section. This store in particular had so much on clearance all throughout the store. I never see anything like that at my local store. So I did get something, actually, yes, I got something from my daughter, and I'm hoping it'll show up for you on the screen. But basically, it is a mermaid. And then depending on how you look at it, the word believe shows up, and then it's got the small mermaid tail. Isn't that the coolest thing you have ever seen? Okay, guys, so it was $25 regular price, and I got it for $6. How could you pass that up? I just can't, okay? And to go along with that, same pricing structure, look at the jellies. Now the jellies, they just kind of, you know, shimmer and glide as you turn it, so there's not a saying on it, but I just thought these would be so great in her bathroom, which is not officially an ocean themed bathroom, but it has a lot of mermaid-esque kind of stuff in it. And then my jaw just about, actually, I almost dropped my coffee when I saw these. This right here, this ginormous picture frame, this is humongous. This is an 11 by 14 picture frame, and normally $30, and I got it for $6. So, wow, I could not believe that. And then same thing with this one. This is just the gold version. Love it. My husband loves to have picture frames for us to hang stuff up, and he's going to be so happy when he sees those. Okay, so that is some of the big things. Let's talk about some of the small things that I got in the clearance section. One of the things that I did is I got some graduation stuff, you know, 2025, and I don't have any graduates, right? But the pricing was beyond crazy, and I can turn them into Cricut blanks. So for instance, I have this little zipper pouch. Okay, this was $8 originally. It's just a little pouch. There's nothing in it except for what you put in it. These, I think these will actually come off. I haven't experimented with that and I don't know if I'm going to. But this right here was like 70 cents, like 0.70. That's great. That could be a beautiful little addition to a gift basket. Then I got 2 of these, you know, the little shelf sitters, right? These are the same. And I can just take the front and resurface it. So these were $1.49 and I got them for 15 cents a piece. 30 cents just for that. And I'm a sucker for that kind of stuff, even though I have a ton of wood and my dad has a wood shop. I literally could just go get free wood, but I was there and I saw it. Now this is fun. This is something I cannot get in my dad's workshop, and that's these. Now he could totally make these, but I'm going to be taking off the little graduation cap and tassel, and this right here is one of those things where you put the pictures in. But these little shelf sitters, these will get resurfaced as well. These were $1.99 each, and I got them for 20 cents a piece. So super fabulous deal. The other thing in the graduation section, which I went ahead and got it, it is dated 2025, but I just love the contents, and it's so God's Promises for Graduates, class of 2025. I like the way it's set up like this. Quite frankly, graduate or not, whether you graduated 2 weeks ago or 20 years ago, all of the contents in here is really good stuff. So I went ahead and picked that up and hope to incorporate that into some things with the family and friends that I know. So moving on, we have from the Spring Shop. So Spring Shop is 50% off right now. I got this little canvas flag, little banner flag, and really it's not sublimation. It's just the canvas one. I got that for about $1. And then I got 2 of these. So these acrylic wood signs, I know you see them when you walk in. They are, I don't know, about $4 a piece. And they were, I think, a little over $1 each. So that was good. Now this one, I debated whether or not to get it, but this one was $10 originally, and I paid a little less than $2 for it. It's one of those little blocks, the little wood blocks, and it's got the acrylic in it, and it does say Mr. Okay, it already has something on it, but I think either I can have this cleaned off or I can just cover it, but for $2, and it's a hexagon, and I am actually quite partial to hexagons, so I've learned that about myself recently, and I thought that would be a great Cricut blank. I found some of these. Now these are just those little disco balls. They're kind of holographic, come in different colors. This is only 87 cents, and I thought that would be great for some, mass producing some birthday cards. Then we got a pack of the wooden dowels. Now these are the ones that you use for your little pennants or your banners. You could even make little wands, but I thought that was a great deal. Okay, and then another little wood pile find. This is just a frame. There's no glass, which is fine because I love making signs and I'd like to have them framed, but this is ready to be worked up. And then I found these. Now these are still kind of wrapped like they just came out of the box. These were about $4 each, and normally they were like $8 or $9. So I grabbed 2 of them. They had about 6, and I'll be honest, I did think about getting all 6, but I don't need 6. Then I got a little packet of ribbon. So just a myriad of ribbon, and those are great for cards and tying little bows on things. Let's see what else I got here. So being a teacher, I know it sounds weird, but high schoolers love stickers and they love stamps. Like you go around and you stamp their paper or you stamp their test with happy things, or you put stickers on them. Who knew? High schoolers, they will work for stickers. So I got this for $1. Now all 8 of the pages that came in this little Sticker Abilities booklet, student encouragement, I love that. This was $1 and there's nothing wrong with it other than the fact that it was open. So I think I got lucky. I did pick up 2 of these. Now these make great little blanks. They're just the double outlet covers, and these were like 70 cents a piece. So I thought that was neat. And then I got 2 things, 2 different brands, and I don't really know much about them. I've never heard of these brands before, but I'm going to be trying them out and seeing what I think about them, because these were on clearance. And what are they? They are iron-on transfer sheets. So for dark fabric, the kind that you put in your inkjet printer and then use it for iron-on. Okay, so I'm really excited about these. These were basically like half price, and I was just thinking the other day, like, oh, I need the light fabric one. Should I get the dark fabric one? And I was like, nah, I don't feel like paying for that. But then I saw this on clearance. So I'll give it a try, see what I think about it, and hopefully it works. And then I've got that material to use in the craft room. And then actually I have one more thing. This is also from the wood pile. I almost forgot about this. This is so cool. So it's a sign. Okay, so it's a frame, a wood frame, whitewashed. This is acrylic. Now, this is not frosted. It has the, it has the protective coating on it. Or maybe it says, yeah, I don't know if it has it on both sides, but anyway, I have a great idea for this, and I'm super excited. It's got the little jute hanger, and then this was just 40% off, so not bad. This was like, I think less than $5. So I have a great idea for that. But that is all for my Hobby Lobby haul. I really hope that you enjoyed taking a look at the very long shopping spree that I took, and hopefully I will find a place for all of these things and then turn them into beautiful gifts and crafts in the future. So until I see you in the next Card or Craft, as always, have an amazing day. Remember that you are loved, and happy crafting.
Thank you all so much for watching today. I'm so glad that you can join me at my craft table. If you're not already, I'd love to have you as a subscriber, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you'll know when new videos arrive. Have a great day, and as always, happy crafting.